Smog is a type of air pollution that occurs when the atmosphere is filled with a mixture of pollutants, including smoke, dust, and other particles. It is a major problem in many cities around the world, and its effects can be felt both indoors and outdoors. In this essay, we will discuss the problem of smog and its impacts. One of the main causes of smog is the burning of fossil fuels. This includes emissions from cars, factories, and power plants. These pollutants can then combine with other chemicals in the atmosphere to create smog. Other factors, such as weather conditions and geography, can also contribute to the formation of smog. The impacts of smog can be severe. It can cause respiratory problems, such as asthma and bronchitis, as well as eye irritation and other health issues. It can also harm the environment, damaging crops and forests and contributing to climate change. In addition to its health impacts, smog can also have economic consequences. For example, it can cause reduced productivity and increased healthcare costs. It can also affect tourism, as people may be less likely to visit cities with high levels of smog. To address the problem of smog, governments and organizations around the world are taking action. This includes implementing regulations to reduce emissions from cars and factories, investing in renewable energy sources, and promoting more sustainable transportation options, such as public transit and cycling. Individuals can also take steps to reduce their contribution to smog. This includes driving less, using public transportation, and reducing energy consumption in their homes. Planting trees and other vegetation can also help to absorb pollutants and improve air quality. In conclusion, smog is a serious problem that affects the health and well-being of people and the environment. It is caused by a range of factors, including the burning of fossil fuels and weather conditions. While governments and organizations are taking steps to address the problem, individuals can also play a role by making conscious choices to reduce their contributions to smog. By working together, we can help to create a cleaner, healthier world for ourselves and future generations.